Hook, have you ever found yourself anxiously refreshing your Kraken account screen, waiting for that elusive deposit confirmation? We've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into the question, how long does it take for Kraken to confirm a deposit? Context: Kraken, as one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, plays a crucial role in the digital asset ecosystem. But when it comes to deposits, speed and efficiency are paramount. Whether you're making a quick trade or a long-term investment, a timely deposit confirmation can make all the difference. Factors affecting deposit confirmation times. Deposit method: the method you choose to fund your Kraken account will significantly impact the confirmation time. Bank transfers: traditional bank transfers can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on your bank, the recipient's bank, and the specific transfer method used. Factors like weekends and holidays can also prolong the process. Cryptocurrency deposits: deposits made using cryptocurrencies are generally much faster. The confirmation time depends on the network congestion of the specific cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, while smaller networks like Ethereum or XRP may offer near-instant confirmations. Credit or debit cards: while credit and debit card deposits are often processed quickly, there might be additional verification steps involved, potentially extending the confirmation time. Network congestion: the underlying blockchain network plays a crucial role in determining deposit confirmation times. When a network is experiencing high congestion, transactions may take longer to process. This is particularly true for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kraken's processing time: even after a deposit is confirmed on the blockchain, Kraken still needs to process it within its system. This involves verifying the transaction details, updating your account balance, and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. While Kraken generally strives for efficient processing, there might be occasional delays due to technical issues or increased workload. Tips for faster deposit confirmations: choose faster deposit methods. Opt for cryptocurrencies with faster confirmation times, like XRP or Stellar. Avoid peak hours. If possible, schedule your deposits during off-peak hours when the network is less congested. Double-check transaction details. Ensure that you have entered the correct deposit address and amount to avoid delays. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the status of your deposit in your Kraken account. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Kraken's customer support for assistance. Conclusion: while the exact confirmation time for a Kraken deposit can vary depending on several factors, understanding the process and taking steps to optimize it can help you minimize delays. By choosing faster deposit methods, avoiding peak hours, and double-checking transaction details, you can increase the likelihood of a swift and efficient deposit confirmation. Call to action: have you had any experiences with Kraken deposit confirmations? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. And if you're new to Kraken, consider using our referral link to get started. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.